What's up, guys? Good morning. Today is, I don't even know, August 5th, I think it is. I know I haven't really uploaded much related to the Jackson Kayak Trail, USA Bass in freshwater tournament. It's just because I've been doing terrible. Just a short story. One day I just skunked out, just totally blanked. Another day I forgot my drive. I was paddling around half the time. The whole time actually, without a cassette in my Hobie drive well, and it was a pain. I'll tell you, it was a workout to say none the least, especially with the Potomac River current. But all in all, I mean, like this time, win, lose, success, failure, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna be recording today. Hopefully, today with my full gear all in place, I am gonna do a little better than last time. I managed just a squeaker, one 12-incher, and that was it. Well, a few smaller ones, but no other keepers. So headed out to the river now. I'll catch back with you guys on the water. Hopefully it'll be an exciting trip, to say none the least. Catch, win, or lose, I guess. So I'll catch you guys out there. Bye. How big was it? What was it? Was it what you said, muskie? Oh, really?
Oh, it was enormous. Oh my god, that was great. Oh man.
Like I said, at least it's not a bass, right?
Yeah, that was the fucking biggest muskie I've ever caught. That was like pushing citation size muskie.
Pretty awesome.
I thought it was a beaver, dude. I saw something move on the bank and it looked like it was big, and I was like, dude, it looks like a beaver. And it was right after I cast it. I was like, watch me end up catching this beaver. And something tanked it. And at first I'm like, dude, it's a giant smallmouth, big smallmouth. And it launched out of the water with like a 4-foot muskie.
Oh, that's pretty awesome, man.
And then he broke me off. I was thinking about how I'm gonna land it because there's no way it's fitting in my net.
Well, you're supposed to lip it, man. Come on.
I'm gonna put my whole arm down his mouth.
No, I'm just playing.
It was a giant muskie. Dude, that was scary, boy. That was a push inside gate, dude. It was a 40-inch muskie. It was giant. Dude, like 8 kayakers launched. They all went down. Good. I've only hauled one smallmouth so far. Got a pedal drive. I'm shaking. I still can't even tie.
Oh, it might keep. I thought it was small. What are you talking about, man? It's a 20-incher. A 20 centimeter.
Huh?
A 20 centimeter.
20 centimeters?
It was a 12 and a quarter.
Danny. Pictures of him, man. He's yelling and he's
Scaring the fish away. What was that?
Was it 12?
Yeah, 12 and a quarter or 12 and a quarter or 12 and 3/4. Yeah, the water dropped. It rained. Did it rain up your way? It's all right. It's good. Now Josh is distracted. Now you're looking for muskie, not bass. Oh my God. That was a blow up. That was a blow up. Oh geez, that was a good one.
Good smallmouth.
Oh, stay hooked, stay hooked. Woo. Oh. Ah, come on. Behave. Come on. Oh yeah. Yeah. on, buddy. There you go, guys. 15.5. Oh, shoot. Oh my god. It caught me off guard. There's a little one. So good thing I threw the chopo later in the evening. I know the preferred time is in the AM, but these fish weren't even reacting to anything on the bottom, so I decided to just give it a whirl because I'm in super shallow water, probably maybe at most 2 feet. Looks like they're still looking up to feed, as opposed to feeding off the bottom. So that's good. I mean, I'll take top water bite anytime. It's pretty exciting with the major explosion, especially when there's a big one on it. It's pretty wild. Oh, he missed it. Come on. Oh my goodness. That was a massive explosion. Hit it again.